your intent on this directives?
In fact, the 5th General Panchayat election was held in 2017 and its tenure was already over by October 2022. And as per the provisions of the Manipur Panchayati Raj Act, elections to the this local body is to be held before the expiry of the date, because the vacancy has to be filled just after expiry of the previous body. So, but the erstwhile government could not hold the election in time, and it has to do certain arrangements, just like the formation of the administrative committees and entrust the administrative committee with the powers and functions of the Gram Panchayats and Jila Parishads. And it was done as per the provisions of the Act. But the thing is, that administrative committee has to be appointed for a period of maximum 6 months, or until the election is held, whichever is earlier. But that election could not be held for a period not less than 2 years now, and administrative committee form still continue to work. And this is gross violation of the Manipur Panchayati Raj Act 1994, and which was amended in 1996, and also the provisions of the Constitution of India regarding the grassroots level local bodies. So some of the Jila Parishad members form an ad hoc committee, and they started legal proceedings against the government and for challenging the formation of the administrative committee and all these misdeeds. And during the time of formation of the administrative committee also, we heard about certain discrepancies, certain just like political moves, because you know that time the BJP government was there, and most of the administrative committees in all the districts concerned were composed of members from the Bharatiya Janata Party, and sidelining all the existing Jila Parishad members and Pradhans who were connected with the other parties, opposition parties, and it was wholly politicalized by the time. It was a mistake on the part of the BJP government by the time, and it continued beyond the 6 months period which was given by the permitted by the Manipur Panchayati Raj Act. And the challenge to the Manipur Honorable High Court was we could not get the desired result, so the applicants went to the Supreme Court again, and the Supreme Court again sent back it to the High Court, because the decision is to be taken by the High Court, and the Supreme Court did not want to actually intervene into the matter. So the proceedings continued in the Manipur High Court, and today itself the judgment has been declared after keeping reserved for at least a few days. And now the result is that all the existing administrative committees formed for the Gram Panchayats and the administrators for the Jila Parishads have been cancelled. All orders have been cancelled by the ruling of the High Court today, and High Court also ruled that the election should be held within 6 months from today, and this is the today's ruling. And as an interim arrangement before the conduct of elections, the government is given liberty to appoint administrative committees as per the provisions of the Manipur Panchayati Raj Act. And these are the three major judgments points we get, and all the most important thing is that all the administrative committees who were working illegally for a period of not less than 1.5 years during this period, they have already cancelled. But my point is that what about the works they have done? Now they have been illegally doing works and their orders have been cancelled, but they have committed some works, they have done some works, and what will the state government do regarding this? And this is the main point. And now the state government is directed to conduct fresh election within a period of 6 months, but if the situation in Manipur does not allow the conduct of elections, then what will be the next step by the government? And we have to see what may come. It is a moral victory to all the Panchayati Raj institutions, because local bodies are very important in the democratic setup. Because those elected local bodies and its members are directly connecting with the people, the grievances of the people, the wishes of the people, the aspirations of the people are all conveyed to the local bodies. And if they cannot get the state level and the central level leaders, they have to contact. That, for example, during the time of COVID-19 pandemic and other situations like floods, drought and all these things, all the grievances are looked into by the local members, local elected members. And the grassroots level bodies are very important in the running of the democracy. And moreover, if we neglect the village level, local level bodies, then we cannot call it true democracy. Because people's aspirations, people's expectations are not wholly known by the leaders at the higher level. So local bodies are very important. And regarding the ongoing conflict, just like the communal or something like that, we can also say very proudly that local bodies at various levels, maybe at the hills, maybe in the valley, they can also be a very good means of